Welcome back to Mike's Woodshop. Today is an update that has been in delay. It's the weekly shop update for January 21st. I've been out of it for a little bit. I was promoted to chief of the volunteer fire department I am in. So I have a lot of back-end work I'm working on there. So it took me out of the shop a lot. I haven't had real time to actually video things because all the projects I've been doing have been like trying to get quick done and not video quality. So I am most active on Instagram because if I do the project, I'll take quick pictures of it, upload it. I'm not into the stories yet. I have to kind of get a grasp on that, but hopefully that will be coming out soon. I did this for my sister-in-law and my brother for their baby shower 2 weeks ago. Procrastination really gets you. Started at 11 o'clock on Friday, finished it 100% Saturday morning at 9 as I walked out the door. I will be putting a frame around that. What else? A stool. The stool I posted up on Instagram. I carved a child's name, his birthday, a football. I don't have a CNC yet, so I hand carved it. It was fun. It was the first time I think I've carved or built a stool since high school. So it's a long time ago. I also did a scroll saw portrait of, I can't tell you. It's for a gentleman who may watch this video, so I can't show it yet. So that, we're going to put a frame around it today, finish the video, mail it out to him. Once he has it, I will post the video, and hopefully he likes it. Wow, it's a little chilly in here. It's looks like it's 41 in the shop today, so at least it's warmer now. It was freezing, so my wife actually let me bring the scroll saw in the house. I was doing a couple little things in the house. Whose wife lets them bring the scroll saw in the house? My great wife. I do have to clean up every time I use it though. I can't just let the sawdust sit. I didn't get to go to Springfield last week because, is it last week? Last weekend? Yeah, last weekend. My kids got sick. The flu went through everybody. So, not me, thank God. Or maybe not yet, I should say. After I put frames around these two wall art, as my wife likes to call them, projects, I will be starting on a Milwaukee job site. What are they called? Job site drawer organizers, I think it's what it's called. They're the totes that you carry around that have the little boxes inside. So I think it's a 6-drawer. So keep an eye out for that. I will have plans on my website. My website I'm working on. I know it's not up to date. It's not much to talk about yet, but there's just too much to do and not enough time to do it. And we're not making enough in the shop to pay somebody to do it. So thank you to Steve at Harneal Media. He's sponsored my website hosting. And that's about all that's going on here. I do have a couple of Christmas things I haven't finished, but maybe I'll finish them up. We'll see. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are doing, what you'd like to see in 2018, since this is a brand new year. And I like to get gung-ho on organizing and building 90% of the shop stuff that I need to be done within the first couple of months, so the rest of the year I can have fun making projects. Working on a dining room table, I'm working on bedroom furniture, just things in my head that yeah, I need a second me, that's what I need. So, thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, be safe.